Hey guys! In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best picked car dryer blowers for drying your car available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is Metrovac Master Blaster Revolution.
If you're looking for a good quality car dryer that has been made in the USA, then this Air Force Master Blaster car dryer will not disappoint. While it's not the cheapest product on our list, we feel that you really get what you pay for with products like this, and therefore you're paying for extra quality. There are several Metrovac Master Blaster products on the market, but this model is an updated version that boasts so much more. The dryer comes with front-mounted swivel wheels that enable you to maneuver the car dryer blower with ease. With this Master Blaster, you can dry your vehicle within a matter of minutes, and you won't ever have to worry about micro scratches from using a towel or water spots from allowing it to dry naturally. It comes with a wall mount bracket and hose hanger, so you can save a little space when storing this in your garage or workspace. Using warm, filtered air, the product will safely blast off water from the main body of your vehicle as well as hard to reach places where you wouldn't be able to reach manually. This product features 2 twin-fan 4-peak HP motors that can deliver up to 58,000 feet per minute of clean and warm filtered air. Each motor is individually controlled by a separate switch to allow you to select from 3 different airflow and temperature levels. Key features: 2 twin-fan, 4 horsepower, motors. Adjustable airflow and temperature. Front-mounted wheels. 30 feet hose. Specification. Brand: Metrovac. Model: MB3CDSWB30. Weight: 16.34 pounds. Pros: dries car in minutes. Easy to use. Made in USA. Cons: expensive.
The second product on our list is Bissell Garage Pro Wall-Mounted Car Blower. In the present era, the effectiveness of smartness is more than hard work. The same theory is also applicable for the cleaning and monitoring of your car. Use Bissell Garage Pro Wall-Mounted Car Blower to clean the car without using the usual method. Do you know that it can be a great blower for handling messes both dry and wet? Not only that, but also the 32-foot hose of the car blower allows you to move the blower around the car without any logs. For wet and dry, dirt removal, it has a 12-amp wet vacuum which guarantees you to totally remove the wet and dry off your car. The car dryer blower has a number of tools for car/auto detailing, cleaning the wreckage of children's car seats, and car mats which assist Bissell Garage Pro wall-mounted blower to keep ahead of other car dryers blowers. Pros: it has 2-stage filtration. 5 feet long power cord. For cleaning dry and wet wreckage, it uses the Helix cleaning method. No battery is required to use. There is a 2 years warranty for this product. Cons: have the possibility of handle fracture. Produce a lot of noise loudly. The third product on our list is Metropolitan Vacuum Cleaner Car Dryer. The Master Blaster Car Dryer is one of the top products of its kind on the market, with an excellent reputation. The Metrovac Master Blaster is capable of delivering some seriously powerful air to your vehicle, 58,500 feet per min, and the air that it delivers is clean, dry, warm and filtered, so you won't have to worry about your car or motorcycle getting damaged by dirty air. There are 2 switches on the car dryer blower that allow you to set the airflow and temperature, so you can fully adjust the product to suit your needs. There are 3 different levels of airflow and temperature, and you can use the front or rear motor independently or simultaneously for maximum power, 8 HP. This car dryer has been built to last, has been manufactured from steel, and features a heavy-duty hose and blower nozzle, air concentrator, air streamer tool, micro adapter and male-to-male adapter. Key features: powerful car dryer, 8 HP. Fully adjustable. Manufactured from heavy-duty steel. Specification. Brand: Metropolitan Vacuum Cleaner. Model: MB3CD. Weight: 16.9 pounds. Pros: excellent reputation, heavy duty, extra powerful, clean air. Cons: expensive. The fourth product on our list is MetroVac Blaster MB3 CD Industrial Dryer and Blower System. If you need a car dryer blower that has a lot of power, consider the MetroVac Blaster MB3 CD Industrial Dryer and Blower System. This impressive device can powerfully dry off your vehicle in no time at all. With an impressive 8 horsepower output, this industrial-strength blower car dryer can deliver 58,500 feet of dry, warm air per minute. It weighs around 25.4 pounds, but you won't have to carry it far or stay tied to one spot thanks to the 12-foot heavy-duty cord. The dryer comes with a heavy-duty neoprene blower nozzle that's gentle on your car's exterior, as well as 5 different interchangeable attachments for more targeted drying. There's also a 10-foot flexible commercial-strength hose for increased flexibility and reach. If you want your car dried 75% quicker, this is definitely the way to go. Key features: 8.0 peak HP motor, 5 interchangeable attachments, 10-foot heavy-duty hose, made in the USA, 1-year warranty. Specification: brand: Metropolitan vacuum cleaner. Model: MB3 CD. Weight: 25.4 pounds. Pros: heavy duty, durable, perfect for vehicles and workshop spaces. Cons: may have to replace the brush at some point. The fifth product on our list is VacMaster Professional Car Dryer Blower. Definitely one of the most reasonably priced products that we have seen on the market, this professional Beast Series VacMaster Vac features a sturdy 5-gallon tank which is made from durable polypropylene. This vacuum works as both a wet and dry vacuum, which means that it is suitable for the interior of cars and workshop and garage floors too. It can also easily be converted into a blower so you can dry your car without touching the paint and not have to worry about marking the surface. The hose, accessories, and power cord can all be stored onboard on the vacuum, which takes the hassle away from additional storage space. The hose is 7 feet but has over 25-foot reach, and the blower comes with an 18-foot power cord. Key features: powerful 5.5 HP motor, 5-gallon tank, can be used as a blower, wet/dry vac, 7-foot hose with 25-foot reach. Specification: brand: VacMaster. Model: VFB 511B0201. Weight: 13.5 pounds. Pros: excellent value for money, onboard storage, accessories included. Cons: fairly large. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.